Good morning, everyone. It's 6 a.m. We're really tired. We just got to pack our bags now and drive to Keflavik Airport to fly home. Put our bags in the car ready, but we've just got to walk to the Hotel Odinsve first to check out from our apartment. The Hotel Odinsve runs the apartment block that we were in. That's why they're obviously called Odinsve apartments. It's just 100 meters up the road, so it won't be a couple of minutes. So this is Hotel Odinsve, where we dropped off the keys. When I came to Iceland many years ago, about 17 years ago, I actually stayed in that hotel. It is very nice and I would recommend it. From Reykjavik, Keflavik Airport will be about a 45-minute drive, and along the way we've got to stop for a fuel station to fill up with petrol as we need to return the hire car full. We've dropped our car off and now we're walking to the departures area of Keflavik Airport. And it's a bit windy and it's freezing cold. But we'll be inside the warm in a minute. We've checked in our bags, now it's time to go through passport control and wait for our plane. We've got another hour and a half for our flight. We haven't got a gate number yet, so we're just sitting here, just having a bit of a snack. We've got our gate number, so we're walking over there now. Thanks, Holly. Maybe without a haircut.
We're just waiting to board our plane.
We've taken off. It was pretty windy and we had turbulence for at least the first 10 minutes. It's a lot quieter now though, it's calmed down quite a bit. Flight time to Manchester today is going to be about 2 hours 25 minutes and I believe the distance is around 1,000 miles.
We have arrived at Manchester. Just got to go through passport control, pick up our bags, and then get to the car park. Well, we're back at the car park, about to drive home, so I think we'll end this Icelandic travel vlog here. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching, it's really appreciated. If you're new here, my name's Mark, and along with my daughter Holly and son Matthew, we make travel and theme park videos from around the world. And here's Holly with a special message.
If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell button. Bye!
Bye!